Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how to book a flight ticket in easyJet. So if you want to book flight tickets, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for easyJet. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. Choose the location you want to go to. Choose the location. Choose your travel days. Choose the adult person you want to add. Click view flight. When you select view flight, you will redirect it to this page. You have outbound and back. This is two options here. From here you can add a lowest price. From here you can set up your all details and then click continue. You can add more flights. You will see this page. You can continue with light fare. You can add a person smart. This is the extra. This is for package. Choose any package you want to add, for example this one, and then you will direct it to information for passenger. Add your information here, such title, first name and all details here, and then complete all information and then click continue. So basically this is how you can do to book tickets. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.